Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to come to you guys with a twist out video. I want to twist my hair, just a regular ass twist out. Like, you've seen this all before. If you haven't already seen a twist out video, you know, I'm gonna use mostly the Camille Rose. Can you see that? Yeah. Almond twisting butter. And I say mostly because I want to finish off this True My Made Beautiful hydrating hair butter that I've had sitting around for like a couple months now. I washed my hair today with the Body Works Peppermint Tea Tree. If you haven't already seen my couple videos back, I did first impressions of this, so if you haven't seen that already, go watch that video. I'll put it up in the cards. And then after that, I did like a smoothie of deep conditioners, because again, I'm trying to get rid of like old products. Like, I had what's that brand called? I had like what's that brand called? I don't even remember. I had the Camille Rose algae renewed deep conditioner left over, along with like another brand that I literally just cannot remember. It's literally escaped my mind. I'm gonna remember it soon enough, so I'm gonna put that, you know, there so you guys know what I'm talking about. But I use like 3 deep conditioners, mostly the Body Works jojoba manoi deep conditioner that I also did first impressions on. Again, if you haven't seen that video that I did a whole first impressions for Body Works products, I'll put that up in the card. But yeah, today's gonna be mad chill. I'm just gonna, like, you know, twist my hair or whatever. I'm gonna use this first just to get rid of it, and then I'm gonna use this, and then tomorrow I'm gonna untwist it and show you guys what my hair looks like. So let's get crack-a-lacking. I just rinsed out the deep conditioner after leaving it in for about a couple hours. I'm going to use this leave-in conditioner, TGIN green tea super moist, just to, like, you know, start the process. And then I'm gonna moisturize with the Oyin Handmade hairdo. Also did a first impressions on this in the same video with Body Works. Check it out, check it out. I just rinsed out the deep conditioner. My hair looks really puffy and stuff, really Angela Davis, you know what I'm saying? Let's do this. Should be a little bit more thorough and like do it in sections and stuff like that, but 1, I'm kind of in a rush because I need to leave soon for class, and 2, it's just so much work that needs to be done in that, you know. So I've just been like doing it all over and trying to do a lot just so I can get everywhere. I make sure to get the edges, the ends, try to go in random places in the middle of my head and stuff, just so I make sure that I get everywhere. section to go. Hallelujah, because I'm so dehydrated. Oh my god. So I feel like I started this at like 3:55. It is currently 4:15. So by that math, it's been about 20 minutes since I started this whole thing. I have to leave soon because I have class in Manhattan and I need to get lunch. Ugh. See though, that's like wavy. It's so curly in the front, bruh. The front is just wavy. Like, you see curls? Because I don't. I'm trying to be longer than this by the end of the year. Oh my god, that took not that long, but it felt like it took forever. My fingers hurt. Ow. But that's what my twists look like. They got a little smaller near the front. You can tell though, because look at the side, it's like thicker. Part of me wants to like break this apart, but it's been drying for a while, so I kind of don't want to do that. But this is what it looks like. This is how I do my twists. Because my twists have gotten longer, I've gotten a little bit more comfortable going outside like this. So I think that's what I'm gonna do, but then again, I don't know because it's kind of windy outside and I don't want my hair to get cold, so I don't know what to do. Well, let's get back in like 10 minutes and see what we're gonna do. But these look cute, don't they? Okay, so I look pretty caked up because I had to do my makeup real fast and I didn't like take my time or anything, so sorry I look like a mannequin. But it's been about 10-15 minutes maybe, and I think my hair has shrunk up a little bit. I don't know, you tell me. I feel like it has though. I actually like the way it looks, like very cool. I wish it wasn't like cold outside because otherwise I would just go outside like this. So basically I think what I'm gonna do is like kind of put a scarf around my head. Like I said, it's cold outside and I don't want my hair to freeze. Oh wait, before I do that, I forgot. Like I'm gonna seal everything I did with avocado oil. One of my favorite oils ever. Who needs a freaking coconut when you have avocado? Let's be real. Put that all over. My hair already feels so soft and moisturized because I have great stylers, but this avocado is gonna hit the spot. So that's that. Ooh, I see something cute happening. So that's what we have going on. Cute. I like this a lot. I'm feeling it. I think it's really cute. And what I'm gonna do now is put my bonnet on top because I'm gonna put a hat on. And this is how I'm gonna protect my hair in this cold ass weather. Seems like a lot of steps, but for the sake of your hair, you kind of have to do it. Now this obviously isn't the end of the video because I want to show you guys how it looks untwisted and everything like that, because it looks great twisted, but like, does it look good untwisted? We gonna find out. So peace. Hey guys, so here I am again. Obviously my hair is unraveled and I'm really shiny. Sorry about like the brightness in the back. I really don't know how to fix that, so just ignore it. As I blot my face, I'm gonna tell you guys, or rather show you guys the results of the twist out. So I recorded the video on Monday, I think it was like the 5th or something, and I actually didn't unravel it until Friday, which is today, the 9th. Yeah, I didn't take out my twists for 4 days, or 3 days rather. I hadn't really intended on going for that long, but it's midterm week, so I barely slept this week, and I didn't have time in the mornings to like unravel, and I wanted to make sure I took good pictures, so I didn't want to like rush it, you know. I think I unraveled it a little bit too much. Do a 360. Hopefully you can see what we're working with here. Remember, this side was we used the Treatment Made Beautiful, and this side we used the Camille Bros Almond Dry Butter. This isn't really a comparison video. I just, you know, want to show you guys how I do my twist out. And as you can see, my head is like curly. Like this is like a fro, like curly fro. TBH. Like look at this definition. Oh my god. Look at that, look at that, look at that. And my hair is so soft. You know, I unraveled with avocado oil. I put a whole ton of avocado oil in my hand, rubbed it together, rubbed it through the twist. My twists are so soft and moisturized and everything like that. But yeah, these are the results of my twist out. I think I unraveled too much because, you know, there are people who like, when they do twist outs, they don't unravel too much on the first day because they want to like prolong it. They wait like the next day and the days after that and they just unravel a little bit more. I kind of unraveled all of it at once, chances are this twist out is gonna last me another day and then it's gonna be a puff. I wish I could do like, I wish like my styles could be a little bit neater. But yeah, this is not a tutorial. This is just me showing you guys how I do my twist out, and it looks really nice. It grew on me over the day, I'm not gonna lie. Like this morning I was kind of like, oh, this is a fail. I'm gonna come to you guys with the fail. But I'm kind of like okay with it now. Like I'm kind of like, okay, this is like cute or whatever. I took some pictures and stuff. I mean, I hope I can like preserve it for like a couple more days. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Tell me what products you guys use to do twist outs with. I'm interested to know. I love trying out new products. Subscribe to my channel if you want to, and follow me on Instagram, link in the bio. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!